Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to wrap text around an image in Adobe InDesign. Before you start in InDesign, you actually need to begin in Photoshop. First, find the image you want to use for the text wrap. I found this image of Earth, and let's say I want to wrap text around it. First, unlock the layer by clicking on the lock icon. The next thing we need to do is mask the Earth out. You can do this in different ways, using the lasso tool, the quick selection tool, the pen tool, and many more. In this case, I'll select the image and click on Select Subject in the Quick Access toolbar. Now, Photoshop will automatically select your subject from the image. After the selection is complete, go to the Paths tab and click on the 3 vertical lines. From here, click on Make Work Path, then click on OK. Now, double-click on the path and rename it. Now, we need to remove the background. In the Quick Access toolbar, click on Remove Background. After removing the background, go to File, then click on Save As. Choose File Format, select PSD, then click on Save. Next, go into your InDesign file. We want to import the PSD file we just created, so press Ctrl+D on your keyboard, find the PSD file you saved, import it into your document, and place it on the page. Reposition the image if needed. Now we need to open the Text Wrap panel. If you don't have the Text Wrap panel open, go up to Window and choose Text Wrap. In this panel, you'll see several options. Make sure the image is selected, then choose the third option, which is Wrap Around Object Shape. In the Wrap options, set it to wrap on both the right and left sides. In the Contour options, this part is very important. Choose Photoshop Path. This tells InDesign to use the path we created earlier in Photoshop. In the Paths option, you can also see the name of the path we gave it. Once that's selected, increase the offset by clicking on this arrow to adjust how close the text wraps around the image. This already looks pretty good. You can move the image around and the text will automatically wrap around it. You can also scale the image up or down and the wrap will adjust accordingly. With good masking, you can create a lot of really cool effects, especially if you're working with more advanced objects or photos. And that's how you wrap text around an image. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.